Got the halos all the way around with the fog lights too.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
What's up? What's happening? Got my Mr. Flyer on today. Y'all go check him out. Today we're gonna go ahead and put some LED bulbs in a '06 Hummer. What up? What's happening, good people? Swaps Performance. We got something else in here. Check it. Boom. Been in the dark, man. What we do to this? It's an '06 Hummer, all-wheel drive. Put a new oil pump in it. We put oil pan gasket. We put front cover gasket, intake gasket. What do you call it? Cold air intake tube going in with the breather box. Right now we're going to swap out the headlights for some LEDs, and we got a light bar going to go in. I got a breakdown of when we were working on the specifics as far as the oil pan gasket or the oil pump. We put a new oil pump in it, if I didn't say that, and it's been setting a little bit. It's got a good lift on it. It's a good looking truck, all-wheel drive, 6.0 4L65, I think. I'm not sure, 4L60. I know that the transfer case is new, transmission's new, but these LEDs gonna look nice on it. Right now we got to get it jumped so we can get it moved to get these LEDs on it. And oh, transmission cooler with the fan. I got to swap that out. I totally forgot about that. Ooh wee. So I got to swap out. So that's definitely what we're gonna do there. Yeah, man. We'll get it. Yeah, we back. Earlier, it's saying service 4-wheel drive. I don't know why it's saying that. Like I said, all that's new. But before, oil pressure was way below 0 at times. See the 4-wheel drive low, 4-wheel drive high, or just regular old 4. Those lights ain't on. They should be on. I think it's lock-in differential, neutral. All right. Yeah. Like I said, I don't know why that light is on, but we're gonna turn some AC on in here. Let's see what we got. What we got. Alternator's charging good. Traction controls turned off. It's like I said, '06, man. It's definitely different driving this big old hefty wide dude, man. Heavy. Oh man, you want to talk about heavy. Heavy. It ran when I picked it up. It was just had a bad miss. Real bad miss. And of course, and the oil pressure was at dang near 0 at all times. You know, it was saying oil pressure low. So, and then, like I said in the video, you can see, I'm gonna have to find that video. You can see that the oil sending unit, I guess, no, not the oil sending unit, because that was changed. The oil pickup tube seal, that gasket itself was very, very brittle. very brittle. I'm going to get these headlights in and transmission cooler in. We got a light bar. I'm not sure where he wants the light bar. I think the light bar looked pretty cool on the hood myself, but I don't want to do that to his vehicle. I just gotta look and see where we're gonna put it. We'll go from there, y'all. Yo, when we back, AC blowing like a champ. Feeling good right now too, man. What up? Let it eat. Transcooler these LED headlights out. Let's check them out. Let's check these headlights out. See what y'all think. See what y'all think, man. Ooh, plus we got the adapters too, man. That was a must. So I went ahead and got the adapters to adapt directly from and to. We got the halo ring. And then we got 4 bulbs, I guess. So I think this other setup is for some extra things, because this will go in like so. With the instructions, of course, you know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and plug them up and see what they're doing right now. See what y'all think about it. All right, let's check them out. Be right back. All right, of course we got the adapter for the simple reason of the style that needs to be plugged in. If you see, guess what? It ain't the same. Ain't that some stuff? It is not the same. So it's like we're doing some chasing some wires, because this adapter is not the right adapter for this particular vehicle. That's what they said it was, but it ain't. Imagine that. It is not. I'll get it figured out and we'll see what happens. What up? What up? Got another one. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Alright. LED. Fog lights in the mix. I'm looking at these. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking, man, I can use these in the spot of the cuddy. You know what I'm saying? Because we have several different wires set up here to get, for us to get the effect of the halo, right? For us to get the different effect of the halo, fog light and then blinker on the outside. You know what I'm saying? Fog light and then blinker on the outside. That's just a thought, you know what I mean? That's just a thought, and that's probably the way it's gonna go. But these are not for the cutting. Alright, we back. I got one of them installed. One of them is installed. Let me go over here and pop out the other. We got some little Torx bit. 3 Torx. It holds it in. See how foggy those are? Clear those are. We're gonna go ahead and install the other one in this one. Drop it back in this spot here. Then I got to rewire it because, like I said, the adapter didn't work. So I'll just go ahead and wire it up, make it look like something. We will show you part number. Driving fog lights, baby. And then this is another. We'll see what it is. Let's put this in. Spotlight floodlight. What up? Got the halos on the Hummer. The halos on the Hummer. We got a light bar too. Just ain't wired up yet. We will be shortly. A light bar up there. We'll go ahead and show y'all what he do. There's our blinker. The left hand turn signal. There ain't no reason why somebody shouldn't see that dude. You know what I mean? Letting them know that, hey, we return here. He needs a bath, but you know, you get what I'm saying. All right, there's our left blinker. Right blinker, I'm sorry. They was on brights a second ago. If you notice that the bottom bulb is not lit. Like I said, light bar in there. We'll go ahead and get him jumping. Making things happen, man. Making things happening. So LED lights for the Hummer, 06. Light bar up top. All right, I'm gonna test light for the light bar. Let there be light. Let there be light. Dude is pulling some voltage, y'all. Not much. But it is bright. And he's gonna run separate. He's gonna run on a switch to where he wants to run this dude right here. He can. It's bright. And what you're hearing is my tester. You know, get the power up. So it's cool. Run me a relay and a switch, and we in there with this bad boy. The 06 H2 Hummer, 10-inch lift, 20s on it all the way around. What was the process here? We had a bad oil pump, actually a bad oil O-ring. Put a new oil pump in it. Intake gasket, valve cover gaskets, train horn, LED lights, light bars, transmission cooler with the fan. And this is y'all can't see nothing on it right now because it's so dark right here. Hold on. And I want it to be dark. I want y'all to see what I got going on here. But yeah, man. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the parking lights for y'all. Just the parking lights. And I'm digging this parking light setup. Got the halos all the way around. With the fog lights too. The company to make these fog lights, I'll put the link in the description. Hey, they don't fit in this vehicle, but they say it does. Just to see it. You know what I mean? Granted, some modifications need to be made. So be it. It happened. But that's just running lights, y'all. Just the running lights. And then I'm gonna kick this blinker on for y'all. Let y'all check out the halo. We got LED right there. Regular there. And then we got the halo ring flashing orange also. You know what I'm saying? Which is cool. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go turn that off. Then I'm gonna turn the headlights on, and it's bright, man. That's just the headlights. I don't see no need of having any other lights. That's the headlights with the fog lights, and the halo ring is on still, along with that light too. So that's the difference on the fog light setup. I wire that in so everything stays on the same. Projector lights, whatever you want to call them. And then you go ahead and let's see, we'll turn on the little light bar on the front. And everything is getting brighter, y'all. The light bar on the front. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna reach on over here. Yes. Watch this. Daylight. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a video of it. And what you're hearing there is the train horn compressor. Comes on, automatically shuts off by itself. But what I'm gonna do is we're gonna ride here real quick. Like right in here, we'll do it right here. Dark. Oh man, I really ain't gonna give you the good feeling because I got a pole light right there. You know? But we'll do it like this. We'll get past that light. I'm gonna turn off all the lights. See how dark it is? Alright. That's the marker. That's the running lights. Running lights. Headlights. We're gonna turn all that off. I'm gonna go small light bar. And then we're gonna go big light bar. And then we're gonna go with all of them. We're gonna go headlights. Small light bar. Big light bar. Y'all seen how dark it was just a second ago, right? We'll turn everything off again. We'll do it again. Off, off, off. See nothing. Absolutely nothing. Big light bar, small light bar, headlights, and then bright. After having all that, though, you really don't need much more.